Coach, good afternoon, sir. Coach, and the first thing tell me say you want to see me for your office.
Na true sef. Shebi you know say na that my German brother and in Abero boys we dey go play on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
You don ready for the match, abi?
Sure, sir. But I get one small problem, sir.
Na Lukaku?
How about Coach? Now how for you? That one knows a bit travel now. He knows he trouble me.
I say make I ask you now, because wetin that guy do Pablo Mari no good. He just abuse the guy anyhow.
Coach, calm down, Joe. I no be Pablo. I no be Akamo them they give us stuff for here.
Na Akamo Arsenal players dey chop?
Now David Luiz tell me now why you come out? Too much Akamo.
No wonder. Wetin been dey worry you sef?
Coach, I no like wetin Salah dey do.
Wetin be that?
He go shit finish, he no go flush up.
Abeg make una go settle una wahala Joe. I get my own toilet.
But Coach,
go tell Henderson that one. No dey disturb me.
No, even Henderson no dey flush in toilet.
Coach, good morning, sir. My boy. How you dey? Hope so you don ready for Man City match. Coach, the headshot wey you give me the other day still affect me. Doctor tell me say you scatter half of my skull. So I no sure say I go fit make am for that Man City match. Plus mosquito bite me yesterday night. Small malaria fever dey catch me. Okay now. No forget to bring your boat on Saturday. Now you go play 9 for me. But Coach, no just try but Coach me this early morning.
Kai now wow. I think go die fast now.
What do you talk?
Nothing, sir.
Oga Lampard and Oli, una welcome back.
Thank you, my brother.
My guy. Lampard, how fair, ne? Wetin dey happen? You don't tell where I don't see ya.
I dey. I just dey push small.
How fair? You still dey jobless?
Yes, sir. I dey try hustle 1 or 2s, but luck never show face.
You don't try apply for Arsenal?
Haba, you won't make Chelsea fans bomb my house? I too love those guys. I no want disappoint them.
Kebele, how fair, ne? Wetin you get for us? Mumu questions, sir.
Oh, thank God say you know say your questions dey mumu. Fire on my brother.
On Saturday, fixtures go hot well. Ateta and him boys go waka go Etihad Stadium. Once again, the master and his student go challenge yourself. Oga Ole, after Arsenal post that, you feel say them go fit upset the game? Fairway. Now their fans get upset, get health. First of all, make I take the one within my mind. I no sure say Eteta learn anything from Guardiola. The only thing where I fit take say in learn from Guardiola, na to wear sneakers can wet match. The guy no finish nursery scale from Guardiola hand. You dey laugh? No be learn, yeah? That match negative. Na one-way match. Oga Lampard, you get anything to talk on top this fixture?
My brother, nothing there to talk, The real question for this match now, how many 0 match go finish? Or Ateta go still get job after this match? Because as everything take be now, Arsenal no be football club again. Ateta dey in the process of building the best charity club. That match fit turn to child abuse. Now how movie Arsenal fans go watch on Saturday?
What do you think say be Arsenal problem?
See jump question no. I get work for inside Arsenal. I be your blind spy inside Arsenal for me. I know sabi wetin dey worry Arsenal. But wetin I know be say dem need to circumcise that club. After dem do and finish, dem suppose baptize wetin remain because those guys need to be born again. My brother here only know wetin I dey talk about.
Okay on that same day, Chelsea go pack their kaya waka go Anfield. As the two teams hot well. Oga Ole, who you feel say go knock the other one? This question, e get as CBL. This lekeke wey Chelsea dem beg get cast trouble well. But at the same time, Dijk then came back. So wetin I go take be say, Elder lekeke strong well. And the sabi scare girl. The guy never still sabi how to strap the bell. Liverpool get win for Anfield.
Win for where? Chelsea don complete now. Now be Timo Wekos make them sack me go strike for that match.
I know now. Who called Tema for here now? I said lekeke no sabi strap bell.
No be the same Lukaku terrorize defense for Italy. You know how many goals he score?
If you like, make you scare 100 girls for Italy. In the EPL now. And as a striker for EPL, if you no sabi strap the bell, nothing for you.
Okay now, we go see.